Hey, this is Jared Dees from thereligionteacher.com. This word church, where does it come from? What does it mean? Because if we understand the meaning of the word church, it might help us understand how to be Christians, how to be a part of the church. First of all, the original word in the Bible is ecclesia. This is the Greek word that in Latin is ecclesia with some C's, which is where we get the words like ecclesial. What does it mean? It means called out. In other words, we are a people called out of the world, to be in the world but not of the world when we are part of the church. It is an assembly of people called out together to celebrate the liturgy. The word church in English comes from the German Kirche, or Kirche. And what does that mean? It means we belongs to the Lord. So when we are a part of the church, we belong to the Lord. We are the Lord's church, the Lord's people. So based on just the meaning of the word, it should help us understand a little bit about what it means to be a part of the church, what it means to be a Christian. First, we're going to be called out. That even though we're in the world, we're not of the world. When we go and we celebrate the liturgy, we are sent out into the world to bring the good news, to bring Christ into the world. We're called out of the world, but not of the world. Secondly, we are going to be united. We are called out to be united together as Christians, to be united in that common mission of spreading the good news, bringing Christ into the world. And then finally, based on this original German meaning of the word church, we are to be the Lord's. We're belonging to the Lord. That being a part of the church is about more than just being a part of a special community. We are the Lord's. We are doing the Lord's work. We are serving God. We're serving the Lord as a part of the church. So that's what the meaning of the word Christian, or meaning of the word church is, and it helps us understand what we are to do, what we are to be as Christians. Go make disciples. God bless.